why less is more in design.
Right. Okay. I'll answer this one properly then. Okay. The human eye is capable of sort of absorbing and instantly processing about 10 million pieces of information every second, which is huge, right? That's so cool. So you automatically assume that you can therefore just chuck a bucket load of information at clients and they'll get it instantly, they'll love you, and they'll want to buy from you within just a second. No. I wish it kind of worked like that, but it really honestly doesn't. You see, while our eyes, they see all, they can absorb so many bits and bobs. The brain then decides what to pay attention to, and it also decides what to forget, and it has an attention span of seconds. So it just sort of basically filters out all the stuff that your eyes can see, but it just filters it out. So you have to try and make sure that you have an appropriate amount of stuff for your brain to go, I get it. So if a brand, for example, doesn't give off the right vibe, let's say if you're looking for something sexy, something trustworthy, something fun, something exciting from whatever the company might be, your brain kind of just goes, forget about that. And it just literally ignores it and forgets about it. And it doesn't even process that information. You haven't even realized you've seen it because it didn't hit the nail on the head. But similarly, if an email, a brochure, a website has too many words, your brain might actually sort of think, oh, look at all those words. I haven't got time for that. I can't be bothered to have the hard work. And it moves on, again, forgetting about that stuff forever. And if you have too many details, in the same way, if you've got lots of different bits of a design competing for attention, your brain kind of goes, forget this mess. It's a puzzle that I can't be bothered to sort of go through and find a way to sort of de-puzzle. And it just basically goes, sod it, can't remember. So the important thing to try and do is to take the time yourself so that your design and message is right once. And then every single customer that comes after saves that time because you've done it and they don't have to decipher your message. They get it easier, they get it quicker, it's more memorable, and it hits the spot better. So you put in the time to make sure that you have all your lovely messages in the simplest way possible, because then everybody else absorbed it. Less is more, but sometimes it does mean that you have to do more effort to get less. It's a confusing old world, but it works beautifully. I hope that helps. Cheers, folks.